So guys, join me as we make plantain porridge and beans. So this is my already picked beans. This is my wash pot. I already put water inside. So this is me turning my already picked beans inside the water to pre-cook it before washing it. So at this point, I'm about to wash it. I've already pre-cooked it. I'm about to wash it now, to wash the beans before cooking it for the meantime. This is me turning the beans inside the feta. I want to rest the pot and rest the beans and turn it back to the pot and cook it. So guys, join me guys as we make plantain and beans porridge for the weekend. So yummy. Thank you guys for watching. We are making plantain and beans guys for the weekend. Not everything rice. So rice and pasta has to hold on for today. Let's make it plantain and beans, plantain porridge with beans. Thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys. Thank you wherever you are watching us from. Please like and subscribe to my channel. Turn on your notification button so that when we drop any video, you'll be first to get notified, guys. Thank you, guys, for your support. We appreciate. Let's cook, guys. Let's dive in. This is me turning it back to the pot. Thank you, guys, for watching.